Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the taillights on an 88 to 02 Chevy or GMC truck. First, open the tailgate, then there's two Phillips screws holding the taillight in. If they haven't been taken out in a while and are rusty, you might want to try tightening it a little bit first to break it free so you don't strip it coming out. Then once the screws are out, pull it towards the back and then turn it to unhook the hooks from the body. There's a hook here and a hook here. On this one it's actually broken off already. Now unplug it, lift up on this tab carefully and pull the connector out. This light has clearly seen much better days. The lens is broken and the back is broken, so I'm going to be replacing the whole unit, but I'll show you how to get to the bulbs. There are two screws holding this cover on. They're either a 7mm or a 1/4 inch, depending on how rusty they are. This side's already broken, but so then once the screws are out, pull straight out. Got your two taillight bulbs and your reverse bulb. They all just pull straight out. And to reinstall it, simply plug it in. And then make sure you get the hooks inside the holes in the body first. You need to carefully push it in to get those to slide in where they need to go. Then put the screws in. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.